as the 19th century wore on, the Ottoman Empire, the empire of the Ottoman Turks, became a weaker and weaker empire. They were driven back. They lost territory. And by the end of the 19th century, that Ottoman Empire was often referred to as the weak man of Europe. It was a very much diminished empire in terms of energy and power and the ability to defend itself. And after World War I, as many of the empires of Europe had collapsed, so it seemed that the Ottoman Empire would collapse. And indeed, in 1924, Kemal Ataturk, an important leader in Turkey, put an end to the Ottoman Empire and created Turkey as a modern secular state. And Ataturk put an end to the caliphate. He said there will no longer be a caliphate. And since the Turks possessed the essential emblems, the robe of the prophet and the sword of the prophet, they were able to put those things in a museum and say there will be no more caliphate. So the essential character of much of the Near East was changed in the 20th century for Muslims. For centuries, really all the way back to Muhammad, there had been this caliphate that gave them a sense of center, of pride, of leadership, and of eschatological anticipation. We must never forget that Islam has a profound eschatological sense. We might almost say they're rather post-millennial. They have this confidence of ultimate success, and that will be led by the caliph. And therefore, the anticipation always was that someday the caliphate would be restored. And so it's an eschatological statement that ISIS or ISIL, whatever we're calling them these days, now say they are going to restore the caliphate. This is not just a political observation. This is an eschatological fulfillment for many Muslims, and that's why it has a certain measure of attraction.